Hey, what's up and welcome to my double kettlebell chest press video. I'm going to show you how to do the double kettlebell chest press. You can build a stronger chest with 2 kettlebells and do so safely, effectively while protecting those shoulders. All right, let's jump into it. All right, you're going to need 2 kettlebells, the same weight kettlebells. All right, same weight. So I'm going to show you how to set it up from the start so you can get the bell up into position. Both bells, it's a little bit different for each side, so pay attention here. All right, so we're jumping into the first one. The first bow, you have to get that bow into position with the get up technique. All right, what is that? So you're bringing the bow from here into position here. All right, what you don't want to do is try to rotate that bow into position with your shoulder or your rotator cuff. It is not designed for that. The weight's too heavy, you're going to hurt your shoulder. That's why you do the get up technique. This is what you would do for a get up. So what you do is you have the bell right by your hip. You're going to roll to the side using this other hand. Grip your hand here on top of this other hand. And you're going to roll into position. Right there, I'm in my press position for the press. Simple, easy, just like that. All right. So, and then I would go to the next one. What is the next one going to be? I'm going to be curling the bell up. I'm going to curl it into position. All right. So this bow, you always want to make sure this bow is going to be the other bow is by your hip. All right, so because you want to be able to just grab it and curl it into position. All right, I'll show you from this side, then I'll switch around and I'll show you how to get that into position. So you rotate here, and then this bow you have right by your hip. Okay, you just curl it up. So then both bows are in chest press position. All right, so let me show you how that looks. So after you get the first bow into position, just like I just showed you, the get ups using the get up technique, you roll, get it here. All right, so now the bell's by my hip. All right, you want the bell right by your hip. Okay, so I'm just gonna curl it right into the same chest press position. Chest press position. Say that 3 times fast. All right, grab it here. Abs engaged. You want to make sure your abs are engaged, and then you curl it up. All right. Then I'm ready to press the bell. So then right here, I would just inhale, abs engage, press it strong. All right. Control it down, press it strong. Each rep's going to be total focus and control every single time. All right. And I'll show you from another angle how that looks. So to set the bells down, you would just drop them to the side. All right. Just let them fall. Don't bring them up here and drop them. That's too much on the shoulder. Let them fall to the sides. All right. So from the top, so this is how it looks from the top. So you have your bell here. This is your get up side bell, all right? Or you could do your left or right. I do my left because I know I have to curl it up with my other hand. So in this other bell, you want to make sure it's by your hip position. So here we go. Bell here, get up, just like I showed you in the first step 1. Get up position, curl that bell up. I'm ready to go. This bell's right here by my hip. All right, grab it here, curl it up. So key tip here, if the bell's heavier, if you can press it, but it's heavier to get up in position, you can use your hip here, and you can rotate it up, right? Use your thigh, your leg, to move it up, all right? And then here, as you can see, I'm in chest press position. So what do I do here? So before you press the bell up, you want to inhale, engage your core, and then as you exhale, your lower back should be planted on the ground. Okay, feet flat on the ground, and as you exhale, you press the bell up overhead. All right, rotate your palms down, face towards your knees, so your chest is fully activated. Then you control it down, tap the ground with your elbows, right back up. Control it down, 3 seconds down, and then explode it up, or controlled up. You don't have to explode it, but you're gonna need more power to get the bell up. So control down, tap, explode it up. All right. You always want to make sure you have total control on the way down, and you don't want to just rest on your hands or your elbows, because you want that constant tension on your chest. That's why you just tap your elbows. All right. So again, inhale, abs engaged, exhale, power up, control it down, power back up. As you can see, my chest is engaged. Power back up. You're going to rotate your palms as you come down toward each other. So the bells are out to the sides each time you come down, and then you rotate back up to your knees as you press it up, control it down, press it up. Okay, so and then again, letting them fall to the sides. So remember, when you're doing the double kettlebell chest press, you first want to know, or you first want to get down, how do I do a single kettlebell chest press? How do you do a single kettlebell chest press? Well, I have a video on that here. You can check that out. But real quick, all it is it's step one. You just do step one. There's no curl because you only have one bell. So all you do is get that bell into position. Okay, I'll show you on this side, right side here. Get that bell into position. Get up style, get up, using the get up technique. Grab it, roll it, and you're ready to go. And then here, this other hand doesn't have a bell because it's a single bell. You just squeeze the hand, abs engage, and then you do your presses. Control, press it up. Control, and press it up. As it comes down, pause, press it up. All right? So you want to first get down the single kettlebell chest press, just like I just showed you here. I have a detailed video breaking it down a little bit more here. Check that out in the description. Then you go to your double kettlebell chest presses. All right, some key tips I want you to focus on, or remember, are use the same weight bells. Don't do off-centered bells. All right, if you only have one bell, only one bell that's the same weight, just do singles arms. That's all you have access to. But I recommend getting two bells if you're going to be focused chest pressing with the kettlebells. You want the same weight. And you want them, well, the same way, identical. So grab that and do that when you need it, when you're training your chest. All right. So, and then another key tip here is pay attention to the setup, step one, like I just showed you, the get up technique. And also, as you go to the next bell, make sure it's in the position so you can curl it up. All right. So what you don't want to do is get that other bell into position and then you're already ready to go and then the bell's too far. Then you're going to have to reach and pull it back. So get that bell, the bell you're going to curl up into position right away so that you're right here. All you have to do, okay, a little bit closer to the hip, is get into position, palm it, grip the handle, and then curl it up into position. Then you're ready to press that bell. All right? And then the last key tip is setting the bell down. Just like I showed you, okay? Don't bring the bell up and let it come back. Just let them simply fall to the sides, all right? And that's how you set the bell down safely, and that's how you do the double kettlebell chest press. Two kettlebells. Step one, set up using the get up technique. Step two, curling that bell with the other arm. Step three, execution and control it down, all right? Real quick, I'll go over that one more time just so you can see in real time how that looks. All right, so I grab that bell here, pick it up, roll it. This hand, well, you know what? That's a mistake I just made. You want to have the bell in position already, all right? Bell into position. So I'll do it from this side. You don't know. I want you to see the roll up. So the roll up, bell by your hip, roll it up. This hand, again, bell's here. Curl it in position. I'm ready to chest press the bell. Before you do that, I want you to focus on breathe, power breathe, engage your abs. Your lower back should be on the ground. You want to protect that lower back when you're doing these. And then from here, squeeze the handles and exhale and power it up. All right. Control it down. Power up. All right. Head flat on the floor. I noticed my head was up there. Bring it down. Power up. All right. Always control and resist. 3 seconds down, about 2 seconds up. All right. That is your tempo. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Control. Back up. 1, 2. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Back up. Control it down. Set them down. That is the double kettlebell chest press. Give it a try. Get your two bells. Make sure they're the same weight. If you have any questions on the double kettlebell chest press, let me know in the comments below, and I'll help you learn this excellent technique or excellent exercise so you can train your chest with two kettlebells, because you can do it all with bells. This is another way to focus on that chest a little bit more with those kettlebells. So again, if you want to see my one arm chest press video, check it out here. And I'll leave that in the description as well. And also a two arm chest press, meaning one bar, I'm squeezing it, you're squeezing the handle, a little bit different, but I have that well in the description as well. Speaking of chest press and a workout that you can do a kettlebell with, which is everything I do here, I have a 10-minute free full body kettlebell workout you can grab right here, absolutely free. So you can do chest presses, rows, swings, things like that, all in 10 minutes. So when you're short on time, you can get it done. Pick that up here, or KB10 in the comments. I'll shoot that over to you. Otherwise, train strong, get after it. Use your double kettlebell chest press. Use the technique that I just showed you by 3 techniques: setup, curl, execution, and controlling it down. Follow my tips. Rewatch this video. Share it with someone you maybe know could benefit from the kettlebell chest press. Maybe they're doing it. Maybe they want to learn how to do some chest training. Maybe you just want to train with them. You're not sure how to train your chest with the kettlebell. This would be the video for them with the double bell. And again, also link here for the single kettlebell. Have an awesome day. Train strong. Get after it. Let me know what you liked about this video. Leave me any comments. Like if you like it. If you want to know when I go live, have every workouts go live, and I have full body workouts, and I have my next video coming up. Subscribe so you know when that drops and you know when to check it out. Otherwise, train strong. Get after it. You got this. Take it one day at a time. Do your chest presses, get your kettlebell, get your training in, enjoy the process. I'll see you on the next video. Have an awesome day.